guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm HD Signatures. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are well. On today's video guys, I'm going to be creating Painted by Spencer's glass skin makeup look. When I saw that video guys, I instantly fell in love with it. I love how glowy, how dewy, how fresh his skin was in that video. Like, it looks so true to skin, and I really want to create that on myself guys, so please keep on watching. The first thing he did was to spray a mist, so I'm going to go ahead and spray this on myself.
My skin in it. I'll leave this here for a few minutes for the skin to soak it up.
I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty sponge. So after doing that guys, this spray that I use might not give me that dewy, that glowy effect that I want on my skin. I'm going to be going ahead and mix this moisturizer and this oil. This is sweet almond oil and moisturizer from Olay. So I'm going to mix both together.
Don't forget your promise when the money comes. Don't say I'm not your standard.
So okay guys, this gave me what I wanted. So he went ahead to apply foundation, and he mixed two shades of foundation, a lighter one in the middle part of his face and a darker one at the perimeters of his face. That's what I'm going to be doing exactly, because this is what I basically do whenever I'm doing my makeup on myself or on my clients. So for today, I'm going ahead to use Milani foundation, liquid foundation, and I'm going to go ahead to take from this palette one of this shade here, and in this palette I have black copal stick foundation deposited into this palette. So I'm going to pick one of it. The reason why I'm using that is this foundation is light, and if you are looking at getting a glassy skin, you want to use a foundation that is not too full coverage, so your skin can naturally glow underneath it. And because I have some blemishes and spots to cover up on my skin, I'm going to be going ahead to use that black opal foundation, stick foundation, because it's not a matte foundation. It has this really nice radiant finishing and it has a good coverage, so I want to use that to cover the spots that I have on my face. And I'm going to be using the Milani in the middle part of my face, so I'm going to put that carefully.
Don't forget your promise when the money comes. Don't say I'm not your standard anymore. I go swear for you, baby, while I eat that life. Promise you won't go away. Trips to Paris, when we are the things I like. Sign to deliver, baby boy, I'm yours. I go pray for you, baby, with all of my heart. Forever I stood.
So I'm going to go ahead and set my forehead lightly. So after this guys, he went back again to spray the mist on his face, and he covered this part of his face. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up with my look, and I'm going to be right back. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this dewy glassy makeup look that I recreated from Painted by Spencer. I love how my skin is looking all glowy, all fresh, all dewy, like radiant. I love how it's looking. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I enjoy filming it. Let me know that in the comment section if I killed this recreation guys. Bye.